I got another order from Flip, so I'm excited to see what is inside this box. All right, these are the SNRGY True Wireless Earbuds. I love the look of these online, so I was very curious to see what they looked like in person. These are designed in Brooklyn, which is pretty cool. I love the box that it comes in. It looks very sleek and nice. Well, bam. If we take this out, it looks like this is where the headphones are. And if we look at this box, we have to see what's in here as well. I imagine this is a plug. All right, there we go. Yes, so that is a USB-A to USB-C plug. Now, if this is the case, there should be a little plug on here for the USB, and there it is. We can just pop this out. So this is a charging case as well. So we will charge these up. We're gonna pop this open just like that, and we can see these wooden aspect style headphones. So if we try these on, we can see that they will fit in our ear just like so, and it feels so nice. It's something that really doesn't feel like there's anything else in there. Just right out of the box, they feel incredible. There are other size earbuds that you can use with this option. This also comes with a little wrist attachment that you can add to this case so that it's something that is easier to hold and won't get lost as easily. These honestly feel so amazing. Can't wait to try these out. So thank you again for watching, and let's keep living that Flipster life.